What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing a quick unboxing and overview of the HRT Tactical AWLS Advanced Weapon Light System. Now, to note, they do have two different flashlights. They have a smaller compact one and a larger kind of rifle size one. This is the smaller compact version. So with that, let's go ahead and get this unboxed, see what all it comes with, and then we'll do a quick overview. All right, we got everything out of the package here, and before I move the box aside, just have to note that this is a pretty awesome box here that it comes in. So good note to detail here. Again, breaking the HRT sticker, it opens, it is magnet, and then you do see a diagram here of the assembly of the light, which shouldn't be too hard to figure out here, but we'll go over all this here in a sec. In the box, we do have a thank you card here, as well as the instructions online here that you can scan the QR code to go directly to the manual. The battery that we'll be installing with this, and this is a specific AWLS battery from HRT Tactical. We have some T-nuts here, and this is to go directly to the M-lock that we have here, and we'll go over this here in a sec in order to mount it. All right, so I went ahead, got the battery all charged up here, so let's go ahead and actually insert this. Let's see if this guy works here. And with the battery in, again, this is our activating switch on it, so we can either push it forward, and sure enough, it turns on there, or again, this is omnidirectional, so if I push it up, it'll turn on. If I push it down, side, any way like that, and then if I give it a firm click like that, it will stay on, and a firm click again, you can actually hear the audible click, letting you know that it's on constant on or not. Just note that, again, if you want the constant on, you do have to give it that firm click, like that. And if you use this just pushing it in any of the directions, it's just a momentary on. But other than that, the switch is actually pretty awesome. Once you have this mounted on, and again, you can just kind of hit it in any direction and it'll work just fine. For mounting this here, I do have a upper I'm gonna bring on camera here to get this mounted on. This only goes to M-lock, as you can see here by these screws and the bracket here on the body of the flashlight. So to get this mounted on, super easy. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and insert our screws through the bracket or through the mount here, and we're gonna get these T-nuts started. Like that. And then now from here, we can go ahead, pick our spot that we want to mount it. I'm going to do it right here in between these two actually, and get it seated in. And then now we're going to grab our Allen wrench here to go ahead and start tightening it. Perfect, and with that, it's as simple as that for mounting it here, and I just realized I put this on the lower quadrant here, which isn't good, so I'm gonna fix this here, but I can show you how easy it is to, like I said, switch and rotate this body, switch these ends, so that way you can orient this any way you want. So it could be here, it could be here, or like I have it right now, it can be on the lower one, so it's up to you how you see fit. And there you go. Now our logo is actually the right way as well, which looks good. So now with it in this position here, I can either do the momentary on, which that's what I'll typically do here, or if you need that constant on, you can give it a hard click and push to go ahead and have it constant on there. Pretty cool, good positioning, easy for myself right here, because for this rail setup, I don't really have like a hand stop or grip or anything like that. So I'm gonna be grabbing this right here with a C-clamp, and then all I need to do is just rotate my thumb quick to have light in any situation. Pretty awesome. So there you go, that does it for this video here today as far as a unboxing overview and how to utilize the HRT Tactical AWLS flashlight here. I'll be having some more videos coming out on this flashlight, let you know how it holds up here on this setup, and then I'm gonna put it on some other setups so that way I can give you my feedback on it as well. Either way, I hope this was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe to the channel, always appreciate that. And if you're looking for any kind of flashlights, tactical gear, plate carriers, duty belts, HRT Tactical has it all. I'll make sure to put a link down below so that way you can check them out. Until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.